In this video, you will learn how to use the Aerosol spray can kit. We will demonstrate its usage by showing you how to color match a shelf to a cabinet exterior. Make sure you are working in a well-ventilated area and are using the proper safety equipment before sanding or using the aerosols. Start off by taping off any adjacent areas to prevent overspray. Use 400 grit sandpaper to scuff up the surface that you will be working on. Be sure to work with the grain of the wood. After sanding the surface thoroughly, use a clean cloth to wipe off any dust. To give our finished products a good surface to bond to, we'll apply a coat of shellac. Make sure you shake this can very thoroughly before using it. As with all the spray products we'll be using, turn the can over and give it a few sprays, just to make sure that the tube and nozzle is clear and will spray smoothly. Work from a distance of 8 to 12 inches and coat the surface evenly. Go back and forth in continuous motions. Allow approximately 10 to 15 minutes for this surface to dry before moving on to the next step. You'll know when it's time to move on to the next step when the surface is not sticky to the touch. Use the sandpaper to make smooth, sweeping strokes across the surface very gently. Just drag the sandpaper lightly along the grain, applying minimal force, being careful not to remove too much of the shellac below. Take extra care to make sure you get all of the edges as well. Wipe off any dust with a clean cloth. Now it's time to apply your colored aerosol toner. Shake the can very vigorously and then line up the nozzle with the black mark. As with the shellac, tip the can upside down and give it a few quick sprays. You may want to use a paint shield or a piece of cardboard to prevent overspray onto surfaces adjacent to where you are working. Working again from a distance of 8 to 12 inches, apply the product as shown in sweeping continuous strokes. Keep the can moving as you work to prevent any pooling on the surface. It normally takes 2 or 3 coats to match the desired color. Allow 10 to 15 minutes of drying time before applying the next coat. Compare your color to the cabinet you're trying to match. Once you've got a good match, apply the clear coat in the same manner as you did the toner. Shake the can, line up the marker, tip the can upside down and give it a few sprays, and then coat the panel just as you did before. Allow the clear coat to dry thoroughly before handling. By taking your time and following these steps, you will achieve a very good color match.